Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is today's question on LeetCode, and this question is basically daily challenge on 14th August. The question is kth largest element in an array. So we will read the question first and we will try to figure out how we can solve this question. So given an integer array nums and an integer k, return the kth largest element in the array. So you can see that these two things are given to us, nums and a number k, and we have to return the kth largest element in this array. So you can see that this is 3 2 1 5 6 4. So what we can do, we can just sort this num array. So basically the sorted array will be nothing but 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and we have to return the kth largest. So basically k is 2, so second largest number is nothing but 5, so we will just return number 5. So basically what we will do, we can sort nums and get kth number from last. Okay, so this can be we can do this thing, but they have asked us to solve this question without sorting they. So we will think about any another approach. So let us have a closer before this input. So you can see that this is our input 3 2 1 5 6 4, and we have k is equal to 2. So what we will do, we will have a mean heap, and we will maintain the size of mean heap as 2. Okay, so what we will do, we will just add first two numbers in this mean heap, and you know that in mean heap smallest number is added at the top or is pushed at the top. So basically this is our mean heap, and if we add these two number 3 2, so 2 will be here and 3 will be here. Okay, and after that what we will do, we will just iterate over remaining numbers, and we will check whether that number is greater than the top of this mean heap or not. So basically what we will do, if what we'll do, we will iterate over rest of the elements. Okay, and if that element is greater than what top of the mean heap, what we will do, we will pop out that element. Okay, we will pop the topmost element of heap, and we will push the current element in it. Okay, so we will do this thing. So this is the whole procedure of this question. So what we will do, we will just iterate from 1 to 4. So 1 is smaller than the 2, so we will not do this operation. We will go on 5. You can see that 5 is greater than 2. We will perform this operation. What we will do, we will just pop out from this mean heap, so 2 will be removed, and what we will do, we will just add 5. Okay, so when we add 5 here, you can see that 3 is smaller than 5. So what we will do, 3 will be the topmost element because it is smallest. So basically 3 will be added here and 5 will be added here. Okay, then what we will do, we will just go on 6. So basically you can see that 6 is again greater than the topmost element. So what we will do, we will just remove the topmost element, and what we will do, we will just add 6. And again you can see that 5 is smaller than 6, so smallest number will be the topmost element, or basically the element at the top. Okay, so we will write 5 here and 6 here. Okay, and again what we will do, we will just go on 4, and you can see that 4 is smaller than 5. So basically we have iterated over all the elements and we got this mean heap. So at last what we will do, we will just return this number. Okay, what we will do, we will just return the topmost element, that is 5, and that will be our answer. So we will do exactly same. So let us try to code this question. So basically we will have a mean heap with us. So priority q of int comma vector of int, and then greater of int pq. So what we will do, we will just iterate over our first k numbers. So for int I is equal to 0, I less than k, and I plus plus. So what we will do, we will just push back, we will just push nums of I for first k numbers, and after that what we will do, we will iterate over rest of the numbers. So for int I is equal to k, I less than nums dot size and I plus plus. And what we'll do, we will just uh, do this operation whenever the topmost element is smaller than the current element. So if nums of I is greater than pq dot top, so what we will do, we will just pop out. So pq dot pop, and after that we will just push pq the current element, so nums of I. And finally what we'll do, we will just return the topmost element, so pq dot top. So we will return pq dot top. So let us see whether the code works or not. So you can see that the code is the test cases are passing. So we will see for main cases. So yeah, you can see that all the test cases are passing. I will again try to explain this code. So basically we can do this question in two approaches. Basically what we can do, we can just sort and get the kth number from last, or what we can do, we can use priority queue or mean heap. And what we have done, we have first added first k numbers in this mean heap, and after that we have performed this operation. If the particular number for all the rest number, if that particular number is greater than the topmost element of this mean heap, we will perform this um operation, that we will pop out the topmost element from mean heap, and we will just push the current number in the mean heap. So that's what we have done here. So you can see that we have directly pushed first k number in pq, and after that we have iterated for the rest numbers, and we will check whether the current number is greater than pq dot top or not, and if it is greater, we will do this operation, and finally what we will do, we will just return pq dot top. So in this way we have solved this question. I hope you understood my solution, and if you like my solution, you can like my video also. If you want to see some more videos like this, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.